Hi, my name is Brian Shygera. I'm a rep for Degelman Industries. Today I'm discussing our ProTill high-speed disc. This is a high-performance disc. This unit works in wet or dry conditions, spring or fall, and goes through the most challenging conditions. The ProTill can be pulled at speeds over 10 miles an hour. This ensures uniform distribution of residue. It eliminates uneven emergence, hairpinning, erosion, and cedar plugging. Our ProTill levels the ruts, it cleans up cattails and sloughs, breaks pastures and grasslands very efficiently. The ProTill is designed for spring seedbed preparation and fall residue management. The ProTill offers rubber suspension for flawless rock protection. Weight is built into the frame where it belongs on our ProTill. Maintenance-free discs and roller bearings also very important. Our ProTill offers 3 styles of discs: smooth, notched, and our exclusive double V notch disc. Our ProTill offers an exclusive rubber autical roller with max life scrapers. This roller provides an excellent seedbed seal for your soil. The original high-performance disc comes in 33 and 40 foot widths. Degelman engineered tough.